name is Mr. Edwards. What's your name?
Charlotte.
How old are you, Charlotte?
8.
Look at these pictures. They are the same, but some things are different. In this picture it is sunny, but here it is cloudy. What other different things can you see?
I can see 3 bells here and 2 bells here.
Okay, that's good. What else?
I can see a black hat here, a red hat here.
Yes. What else is different?
It is sunny out and it is cloudy out.
Okay. Do you see anything else?
I see a dog here, no dog. I see
Okay.
flowers here, no flowers.
Okay, thank you. Now, look at these pictures. They show a story. It's called Helpful Nick. Look at the pictures first. Look at the first one. Nick is walking home from school. In front of him is an old woman. She is carrying a lot of grocery bags. Now, you tell the story.
She dropped a bag. Nick saw her. Nick was helping her clean up the mess she accidentally made. She gave him an apple for saying thank you.
Okay. Now look at these 4 pictures. One is different. The book is different. A lemon, a pineapple, and an orange are fruit. You eat them. You don't eat a book, you read it. Now you tell me about these pictures. Which one is different and why?
This one,
Why is that?
because they are all running here, and this one is riding a bike.
Very good. Now look at these pictures. Tell me about them.
This one, the
Why?
hippo, because the airplane, the bird, and
The balloon?
the balloon all goes up in the air.
Yes. And what about this row? Which picture is different and
The
why?
mirror,
And why?
because the pizza, the disc, and the clock is all circles.
Okay, good. Now let's talk about your favorite food. What is your favorite food?
Cookies,
And what color are your cookies?
gray and black.
Okay. Who often makes it for you?
My mom,
And how do you feel when you eat cookies?
happy.
Okay, thank you.
Hi.
Goodbye.